Hey guys, Tajana here. Now let's get into our K feldspar identification today. What is K feldspar? Well, it's formed in an igneous melt. It's an igneous mineral. Bowen's reaction series tells us that it's felsic, light colored, and found with minerals like muscovite, mica, and quartz. Pause this video if you want to know more. These are our tools today: glass plate, copper plate, streak plate. First two help us with our hardness, and our last one with another property. Let's get into it. Starting off strong, we got our cleavage. We're going to have two directions at around 90 degrees, one perfect and one good. As we can see in the video, we can see those lines drawing with those two directions. We can see in the right-hand side, we got our two planes of cleavage. We also can see that our fracture is going to be blocky. Now we got our streak plate. We can see over in our chart that we now have streak highlighted. Now we're going to go along our streak plate. There's going to be no streak color. Also, we can see over in the picture on the right-hand side that minerals show streak colors as identification factor, but this also tells us if there's no streak, that's going to be a property of K feldspar. Now, moving us forward, we're going to be testing our hardness. Right now, we're testing against a copper plate. Copper plate has a hardness on most scale of 3.5. It clearly scratches the plate, so we know it's harder, so we're going to move on to the next one. All right, our next stop is testing this mineral against a glass plate. Now we're going to scratch it. We see that it does in fact scratch the glass plate. Glass plate has a hardness on Mohs scale of 5.5, but doesn't scratch it too much. So let's hop on over and we're going to say that's going to be a 6 on Mohs scale, and we match it up with K feldspar. Now we're going to stop super quick. What is the luster on this? Now it's going to be pearly/glassy, which we can see over there is going to be part of K feldspar. It's crucial to understand that it's a little bit of both. That's going to help us identify this. Now our last property, we're going to focus on X solution lanime. In this video, you can see things almost like muscles underneath that rock. We can see this over on the right-hand side with our thin section and in the picture below. This is X solution lanime, and this is a property of K feldspar. Now, that wraps it up for today. Thanks for joining, and here's your quick tutorial on how to identify K feldspar.